What if I told you that in the next 24 hours, you could go from zero idea to a real, working side hustle using nothing but ChatGPT? No coding, no audience, no paid tools. I tested this myself under a strict 24-hour limit, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I built. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn simple systems into real income. We're breaking down a 24-hour experiment using ChatGPT to start a legitimate side hustle from scratch. I'll walk you through the rules I set, how I chose the hustle, how ChatGPT did most of the heavy lifting, and what actually mattered when the clock was ticking, including the one mistake that could have wasted the entire day. Before starting, I set 3 non-negotiable rules for this experiment. First, I had exactly 24 hours. No extensions. Second, I could only use free AI tools, mainly ChatGPT. Third, this had to be something I could realistically repeat, not a one-off trick. The goal was to build a real side hustle foundation in one day. With the rules set, the next step was deciding what side hustle to pursue. I asked ChatGPT, give me 5 beginner-friendly side hustles I can start in 24 hours using AI. It suggested things like freelance writing, social media captions, and product descriptions. I chose AI-assisted product descriptions for 3 reasons. Businesses pay for them, delivery is fast, and ChatGPT excels at this task. This one decision eliminated hours of overthinking. Once the product was selected, I immediately went back to ChatGPT to build the service itself. I prompted ChatGPT to help me create a simple freelance offer for writing product descriptions for online sellers. It generated a service description, pricing tiers, and suggested Fiverr gig titles. Then I used a simple delivery prompt. Write a 3-paragraph product description for a handmade product using emotional language and a clear call to action. Within minutes, I had professional output that could realistically be sold. This is where AI shines, by compressing effort. So what did I actually get done inside the 24-hour window? I created a Fiverr profile and successfully posted 1 focused gig. I also built a simple delivery checklist and tested the workflow from start to finish. Total setup time was about 2 to 3 focused hours, with the rest spent refining prompts and ensuring professional delivery. Now, for the most important part of this experiment, the key takeaway and the one major mistake I almost made. ChatGPT didn't magically make money for me. What it did was remove friction. It eliminated questions like, what should I sell? And what do I even write? Speed was the real advantage. The major mistake was spending too long refining prompts, trying to make the AI perfect, when simple delivery was all that mattered. I quickly corrected this by focusing on getting the core service ready to sell. So can you do this too? Yes, but only if you use ChatGPT correctly. AI is not a shortcut, it's a force multiplier. You still have to choose a real problem and deliver something useful. AI compresses the effort, but it doesn't replace it. If you want the exact prompts and workflows I used, download the free AI Money Starter Kit. The link is below. And if this video helped you, subscribe to Purposefully AI for more simple systems that create real income.